screen here, you can actually see the angle that the output is giving straight from the sensor.
Yep.
Our sensor technology is set up that you can really have a one-to-one output as an angle. So you don't need any algorithms to build yourself.
Hello IPXers, we're here at MPS, at Embedded World 2025. Now, you may well think of MPS as being a power management company. We're going to talk to Christian about how they're looking outside of that portfolio, growing their technology to support that power management and a different other kinds of parts of the ecosystem that you can now support. So Christian, tell us about this demo.
Okay, so what we have here is a moving demo where we integrate our position sensors into the whole ecosystem. Position sensors can be used in a variety of applications. Traditionally, you think about encoders, but in this case, we demonstrate a spoiler of a car, but it can be in machines, appliances.
Yeah, that could be any moving part.
Any moving part.
Yep.
So it's a very, very wide range of applications you can actually drive or support with position sensors. Our position sensors are magnetic, so the majority is Hall-based. We have one where it's TMR-based, a different technology for higher performance, better accuracy. And then inside our sensors, we split into 3 different groups. One is standard with one Hall element, which you have a very wide variety of topologies where you can use it, end of shaft, side shaft orthogonal. The differential ones, where you have stray field immunity as a big benefit, can be only used end of shaft. But therefore you have a very reliable system. And then we have 3D sensors on top of these, where you don't get a measurement as such. You get 3 elements for the 3 axes of your magnetic field.
So in this demo, where exactly are your solutions? Point them out to us so we can see. So if I'm a design engineer and I'm looking to do, you call this sensors and motor drives. So we introduced the video as being power management. So we'd have expected a video on power management.
Yeah.
We're not doing a video on power management. We're doing a video on a moving part, a motor drive, sensors, and other bits and pieces. So just talk us through the bits that MPS are bringing to this demo so that our viewers can understand. So if they're starting, I'm thinking about doing a motor control design, and they think of all the ecosystem of parts that they could potentially use and companies that they could potentially use, they may not think of you as being offering all of those parts of the ecosystem in that system. So could you just show us, not actually inside, but just show us the bits and where they're sitting in that demo?
Yeah, for sure. So here in the middle, you see a motor. We have a sister company, Easy Motion. They supply full motor ecosystems. The motor itself is driven by one of our 3-phase BLDC drivers. So we have a motor driver IC in the system here at the side.
Yeah.
Right? Then you have the moving shaft here at the end, where the spoiler is mounted.
Yep.
And here on the top side, you have a small PCB where one of our sensors, the MA600 stray field immune sensor, is sitting, and it detects the actual movement of the axis with a mounted magnet. And on the screen here, you can actually see the angle that the output is giving straight from the sensor.
Yep.
Our sensor technology is set up that you can really have a one-to-one output as an angle. So you don't need any algorithms to build yourself.
Yep.
Then this is now in automatic mode, but we also build a little joystick, so I can now move to manual mode, and I can move the spoiler myself.
Yep. This could be any typical industrial application.
Whatever. And inside here, we have the 3D sensor. 3D, we have 3 magnetic field directions. And in this case, we are only measuring the x-axis. So in one, and when doing so, actually, you see a field strength delta on the second graph here. So if as I move the joystick, you see a change in magnetic field inside the joystick.
Yep.
So we're basically demonstrating two different sensors in this application.
Yeah, yeah. So if you're a design engineer looking to do this sort of very typical industrial control, you're showing a lot of adaptability from MPS to offer different components, parts of it, that they wouldn't necessarily have thought of you as just thinking, I'm the MPS, they're the power management solution company. And what you've been able to exemplify here is a real ecosystem of sensors and power management that are controlling this whole thing. And what was in there?
Another 3D sensor, magnetic sensor.
So a magnetic 3D sensor in there as well. So you've got a whole ecosystem of stuff going on, showing a typical motor drive and sensors demonstration.
Yeah.
Christian, thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Good job. Thank you.